No way.
We are independent distributors for a worldwide digital product company. The low cost of using our great digital products is easily covered when our simple process is followed. The policy and procedures and legal aspects of the company are on the company website. Many would pay $30 per month just to use the products. Everyone would also like their cost covered even if they do not personally sell any subscriptions. We have proven simple methods for everyone to get 3 sales, but it also possible for all or part of the cost to be covered by what is called spillover. When you share this video and our other videos with like-minded people, a small percentage, which is all you need, will like what they see and purchase the subscription. You will make $25 fast start earnings for those who do. Since the compensation plan is a 3x7 forced matrix, it is possible that your cost could be covered even if you have not made sales. Each member can only have 3 on their first level, so if you have actively promoting upline members selling more than 3, some of their subscriptions can land in your 3x7 matrix structure. 3 subscriptions fill your first level and you earn $9 per month. 7 subscriptions fill your second level, and you earn $63 per month, for a total of $72 per month. Your cost is covered once you have 3 on your first level and 3 on your second level. If each asks people to watch a video, join our group, and attend or watch the recording of our weekly calls, each could have their first level filled in a month. The matrix residual pay on each subscription is $3, except for level 2, which pays $7 per subscription, so that our cost is covered with fewer subscriptions. If each takes a month to sell 3 or to get 3 from spillover or a combination of the 2, your 3x7 matrix would fill in 7 months. This is $118,000 per year for a completed matrix. In the real world, it takes some 3 days and others 3 months, or even up to 1 year. If it takes 3 to 7 years instead of 7 months, this is still a worthwhile team build and business. If you put $2 million into an investment that pays 5%, you could make $100,000 yearly. But we are guessing you do not have $2 million. So it will be easier for you to work with us as a team and fill this 3x7 matrix. Thanks for watching. Take action.
No way.